When investing in a fully automatic pipe bending machine, looking only at prices often leads to high labor costs and unacceptable scrap rates later. Today, let's break down the 3 critical pillars of a smart investment. First, always align the machine with your specific workpiece geometry and material. Second, prioritize an intuitive, easy-to-control system to minimize dependency on highly skilled labor and lower operational costs. Finally, consider the drive system. Traditional pure hydraulic benders offer high power but suffer from low efficiency and heavy component wear due to complex manual operations. To address this, Teyi integrates electro-hydraulic hybrid drive technology. By combining electric precision with hydraulic power where it matters most, we maximize processing accuracy, extend machine lifespan, and slash production costs. Subscribe to Teyi Pipe Processing Machinery and comment below to optimize your workshop today.